Hey, what's up, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Naturallykimmie, aka Miss Kimmy, and today I will be doing a mini unboxing from Temu. Temu is the truth, baby. It is a life hack website that has something for any and everyone. And when I say everyone, I mean everyone. They have hard to beat prices, so you definitely don't want to miss this opportunity I have for you. Use my discount code down below to get 30% off your entire order for new users. And then go over there and download that app and you can use the discount code again. They also have free shipping and returns for the US. So what you waiting for? Now let's get into this video. So they sent your girl a couple of things. They let me pick out a few things that they wanted me to, give my opinion about. So hey, let's jump right into it. So I have not opened it yet. So let's go ahead and open it. Don't mind my nails. I'm missing two. So let's open this up and see what we got in here. Hopefully I didn't cut anything when I did that. No? Okay. First things first that I have in here is something that I've been wanting for the longest. It's one of these. I don't know. It's a water bottle. All the things that I will be showing in my unboxing video, they will be down in the description box down below. Look at this. This is the one. This is why I wanted this, because it gives you motivation on here. Like, come on. Do you see this? From 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. Yeah. Can't wait. Next thing that I got, what is this? Okay, so this is a pair of jeans, and I believe I got them in a 20. I'm not sure if that's a 3X on their site. It'll be in the description box. So yeah. Actually, these are a 4XL. That's what these are. It's just a pair of jeans. Okay. And then this. Oh, it's a shirt. I really like these bags. These bags are cute. So the shirt I have is in a 2XL. Oh, this feels good. And it just says made in the 80s. As you can see there. That is so cute. I can't wait to try this stuff on. And then the next thing I have, what is this? Let's see what we got. Oh, this is the two-piece set. Yeah, that's what this is. This is the two-piece set. It has the top. It's in pink. It looks red a little bit on camera, but it's actually pink. And I believe I got this in a 3X. Don't quote me on that. Nope, 4X. It looks a little big, but we gonna see. The next thing I have, this is what I really wanted right here. I can't wait for this one. This is a jumpsuit. Look at these colors. Do y'all see that? It's a long long pants jumpsuit. What size did I get this? This was a 4XL. Okay. I think I got 2 things left in here. Ooh. Now this here is a bodysuit. Ooh, this is cute. This is really cute. And it laces up in the front. Girls. Okay. I believe I got this in a 3XL. It might be a little too big. I don't know. We definitely gonna see. And then I got one more thing in here. Yeah. Oh my gosh. It's even more pretty in person. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. Look. That is so cute. Look at that. Do y'all see that? That is so cute. I got this in a 2XL. Oh my gosh. That is so cute. And I already have an outfit in mind for this. Oh my gosh. And then it says natural on the shirt. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So your girl will have that discount code down in the description box down below for 30% off your order. So you can get what I got. You can get on there. You can scroll, see what you want. I promise you, they got any and everything over there on that site. So take a look. I promise you, you will not be disappointed. So go ahead, go on over there. Get you something cute. You feel me? You do. So with that being said, like this video, comment, subscribe, and share this video with any and everyone. And I'll see y'all in my next one. Peace.